Hi kids. Kids, let's learn colors name. Violet color, orange color, brown color, blue color, black color, yellow color, pink color and green color. Yellow color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Orange color, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sky blue color, 5, 6, 7, 8. Violet color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, read again. 1, O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-E-E 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5, 6, S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E-N 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.